made it out here to GLAMIS for RZR DAYZ. Going the first ride. Excuse me for the wind, but we got my boy Ben. You guys seen his rig. We got Choco, G-Live, JB, Alberto. We'll see what we get ourselves into, boys. Like and subscribe. We'll be right back. MaverickR got stuck a little bit, but we're about to get him out. No biggie, no roll, so everything's good. Once again, super windy out here, boys. So sorry if all you hear is wind noise. Look at Frank.
She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy.
Seems we got a boost leak. Something, we're losing power. No power, boys.
It went from 400 horsepower, zero power.
Zero.
Zero settle.
But we still made it to the Oaks. We're still out here. lines. But the boy JB still leading. What is it? Choco Lugs. Oh shit, not the main. What? Oh, you got the backup?
The backup.
What is it?
360. It's the shit.
GoPro?
Classic.
Ooh, can't go wrong. There you go. ¿Qué onda? Say what up. Oh yeah, the only white boy in the crew today. He's getting down though. Oh,
Oh, yeah, buddy. Getting that.
yeah.
Getting after it, buddy.
Good crew. It's windy, but we're still making the best out of it. RZR DAYZ 2025. start?
Electric gun? Hey, we're cheating. You gotta be warm.
Ying, ying, ching. We need a little ying, ying, ying. Ying, 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 ying.
And then BAM!
Broke about, guys. We'll be alright, we'll be alright.
Oh, I thought you sank up the road.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Hey, the pedal looks almost the same. Yeah. And the foot ropes, no same, I don't even notice.
Professional in the front, party in the back.
Yeah, like, oh yeah, a lot of them. Do you visit anymore?
Lunchtime.
Yeah, every 2 times per year.
El Lonchi. Lonchi.
July, August, 2 months.
Grill Master.
December.
We got the Grill Master Chocologs.
Come here.
America.
Frankie, ahorita. De una vez, dale, dale.
Yeah. As they come, they go. Ooh.
Get in my belly!
We just checked in at RZRDayz to give you a little swag bag. Lunch for tomorrow. Raffle tickets. Good stuff, boys. Good stuff. Come out here. I think this is the 3rd, 4th annual RZRDayz. They accept Can-Ams too. Don't trip. Alright, we'll be right back. Sorry about the wind once again. Everybody's starting to load up. Looks like it's a good crew. We'll see how the pace is, but plenty of cars, plenty of razors. RZRDayz, compa. Soaking it, god damn fool.
It's diesel, dude. It doesn't light like you think. Watch.
I'm gonna disagree with that. I think you disagree with that.
Alea, Mr. Benny. Benjamin, are you sure?
We'll see. It may not even light at all. I don't know.
What a fool.
I don't want that shit to blow up, Benjamin.
We'll see. It should work. That wick, all that paper towel is gonna burn. Should get the diesel hot enough to ignite.
Is it deleted?
I know a guy that can do it.
Oh yeah.
I know a guy.
Is it deleted?
What's up?
Is it deleted?
It's deleted, yeah.
Okay,
No emissions
alright,
on there.
alright,
Yeah, no, this one's got all the emissions in the world. It actually does. This thing fucking all kinds of soot. What's that?
Not real messy.
It's coming. It's a slow light.
No, who made this?
Just some dude on fucking Facebook Marketplace.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's cool, but yeah, it doesn't get super hot. But yeah, it's cool.